You can have your sleep within seconds of time. Those who have difficulty in falling asleep, they can use this to sleep within 20 to 30 seconds of time. In fact, this procedure was worked for some other purpose. You can refer it as 5 seconds procedure. What to do? When you wish to sleep, go to your bed and think in your mind, I shall not think about anything for 1 second. I shall not think about anything for 2 seconds. I shall not think about anything for 3 seconds. I shall not think about anything for 4 seconds. I shall not think about anything for 5 seconds. Again, I shall not think about anything for 1 second. I shall not think about anything for 2 seconds. I shall not think about anything for 3 seconds. I shall not think about anything for 4 seconds. I shall not think about anything for 5 seconds. By repeating this in 5 to 6 times, you will have your sleep. This is science, not a magic. If you have caught a cold, you can recover from it within 20 minutes of time. Procedure will be told at the end of the video. If you are highly tired, you can recover from it within 15 minutes of time. If your stomach is upset, you are overeaten, you can recover from it within 15 minutes of time. If you have had a headache, you can recover from it within 10 minutes of time. Not all the headaches will be removed, but some types of headaches will be removed. What is the procedure for this? This is an amended procedure as compared to the sleep procedure. Same phenomena. You will need a clock in this method. You take your bed, if you are caught cold, take your bed and sit towards the clock and say in your mind, I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. Keep it repeating for 5 minutes and you will see on the clock 5 minutes are completed. Again, start. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes. Keep it repeating for next 5 minutes too. And don't put your eyes away from the clock. Keeping it view on the clock. After 5 minutes of interval, four intervals, you will be recovered from the cold. In the same way, if you are highly tired, keep your eyes on the clock and say it in your mind, same, I shall not think about anything for 5 minutes, again and again, and complete 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes completed, start again. Do it in the intervals of 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes each. Not continuous 20 minutes, not continuous 15 minutes. Once you do this, you need not go to the medical store for OTC. You don't need to go to the doctor. It will be recovered at home. Normally cold takes 2 days to recover, but you will be recovered within 20 minutes of time. And once you are recovered from the overworked, don't start work immediately once you will be recovered within 15 minutes of time. In a next video, we have an amended version of the second procedure. One is the 5 second procedure, and the second is the 5 minutes procedure, and third will deal those which are non-recoverable disease, like which tests are okay, but the patient is not feeling well still, and also where the procedure is going on, the treatment is going on, and it will help shorten the time span of treatment. Good luck.